Here we will write a Python function that takes two array and find elements of first array that present in second array using member comprehension. So in comment line we will write first we will import the array. So from array import star, then we will define function with def keyword show, which will accept two array elements as a parameter. So array1 comma array2. Then we will print elements of first array that present in second array using membership comprehension. So print, since we are going to print array, we will use square bracket. Then we will use x for x in array1 if x in array2, which will check if elements of first array present in second array, and then it will print the array element. Then outside the function we will define two arrays. So a equal to array of type integer and will give elements. Then we will define second array. So array of type integer and will give elements. And then we will call the function show and will pass a and b as a parameter. And we will execute this. It will print 432. That is, the elements from second array that present in first array are 432.